You walk into a room, and within seconds, everyone has already decided who you are. Confident or awkward, leader or follower, unforgettable or invisible. That's how powerful your first impression is. But here's the truth. It's not about your looks, your money, or your status. It's about how you carry yourself. And today, I'll show you how to master that art. The moment you enter, your body language speaks before your mouth does. Stand tall, shoulders back. Walk like you know your worth. Confidence is silent, but everyone feels it. Remember, you don't have to act confident. You just have to stand like someone who believes they belong there. When you greet someone, look them in the eye, not too long, not too short. It shows courage, respect, and self-control. People trust those who look at them, not through them. You don't need to rush your words to sound confident. Take pauses. Speak slowly. The most powerful people in the world don't speak fast. They speak with purpose. Your tone tells others that you're in control of your emotions and your message. You don't need designer clothes. You just need effort. Neat, clean, and well-fitted. When you look like you respect yourself, people automatically respect you more. A strong first impression isn't luck. It's strategy. It's a mix of energy, respect, and authenticity. You don't need to fake confidence. You just need to act like you belong, because you do.